Hi everybody from Coach Dom. Just a quick eBay tip. As you know, I do storage locker auctions occasionally. Well, quite a bit during the off season. But I do find different foreign currencies, and I stack those dollars up and I save them, and I try to bring them to a regular money changer, like at the airport if I go there. And often they just see me coming with my bag full of money, a clear bag, and they just start shaking their head like, nah, that money's too old. Well, this is a little tip and trick that I've done to sell my money, and here it comes. Here's the Canadian money with this haul. I simply put it together and I make a nice picture of it, number of pictures showing both sides, all my coins, all the denominations, same with the paper money. And I simply put it on eBay as a lot of Canadian money, and this batch here sold for 36 bucks. At most, just going straight conversion, if this money was still good, they said it was $23. So I made a little extra. The people pay the postage, and that's it. It's that simple. So I stacked this money, and Canadian money is kind of pretty money, but I stack it all up, save it, and that's how we let it roll. Hey, don't forget, like, share, subscribe, comment. I love everybody's thoughts and ideas when they see me in the streets, ask me about this stuff. If I can make a dime doing this stuff, you can too. There's a subscribe somewhere around here, and there's some other videos around the corners. Thanks so much, and get out there and go hunting and stack up those old bills and get them sold on eBay. You can do this. See ya.